Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Irish Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting culinary journeys you can embark on, transporting you to the heart of Ireland with its collection of traditional recipes and modern twists on classic dishes. This detailed guide will help you navigate the world of Irish cookbooks, uncovering hidden gems and must-have titles for both novice and experienced cooks, ensuring you find the perfect cookbook to match your culinary style and skill level. Number 5. Irish Pub Cookbook. This cookbook has everything you need to make delicious Irish pub food, from simple recipes for beginners to more advanced dishes for experienced cooks. It's perfect for any occasion. It features classic Irish recipes passed down through generations. You'll find all your favorites and more inside. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find these recipes easy to follow. They're designed to be simple and straightforward. Whether it's St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, or a family get-together, this cookbook has recipes for every celebration. Impress your friends and family with authentic Irish fare. No matter your cooking skill level, it offers something for everyone. It includes recipes that are both simple and sophisticated. It's the perfect cookbook for creating memorable meals with loved ones. Gather around the table and enjoy the delicious results. What we like. It features a wide variety of recipes, perfect for all skill levels. If you're new to Irish cooking or want simple recipes for any occasion, this is the book for you. This cookbook is ideal for anyone wanting to explore classic Irish dishes without the fuss. What people say. It is a very simple book with simple and easy recipes, not complicated. One page for the ingredients and photo, the other page 3 of 4 steps and done. Nice paper and gorgeous pictures. Good hardcover. It has great recipes, it came in great condition and inside has pictures of different places in Ireland. The recipes are good, and the final product photos are beautiful. Number 4. Irish Grannies Recipes Cookbook. This cookbook brings you the heartwarming recipes passed down through generations of Irish families. Get ready to experience the rich culinary heritage of Ireland in your own kitchen. Discover timeless recipes for hearty stews, savory pies, and delightful desserts. It's the perfect way to share a piece of Irish culture with loved ones. These recipes have been cherished for years, bringing the taste of Ireland directly to your family. Prepare to be amazed by the simplicity and deliciousness. Each recipe holds a story, a tradition, and a connection to the past. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey through Irish culinary history. Create unforgettable meals with recipes that have stood the test of time. It's a collection of family favorites, ready to become your own. These recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. The results? Unbelievably delicious and comforting meals. What we like. This book is filled with comforting, traditional recipes passed down through generations. If you're looking for authentic Irish home cooking that evokes nostalgia, this is it. It's perfect for those who value family traditions and classic flavors. What people say. It's got some lovely recipes in there along with personal accounts by the contributors. It's a small size so I'm able to display it on one of my kitchen shelves. The design of the hardback version alone is lovely. It does have the traditional grandma's recipes in there. Brown bread recipe terrific. Number 3. Irish Cookbook. Welcome to a culinary journey through the heart of Ireland. This cookbook is your passport to creating delicious and traditional Irish dishes at home. It's filled with 480 amazing recipes, each one designed to bring the taste of Ireland to your kitchen table. Get ready to impress your friends and family. Explore classic favorites and uncover hidden culinary treasures. It's a comprehensive collection for both seasoned cooks and beginners. Each recipe includes clear, step-by-step instructions and beautiful photos. Even the most challenging dishes become simple and achievable. Bring the warmth and flavor of Ireland into your kitchen. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's an invitation to experience Irish culture through its food. With this cookbook, you'll be creating authentic Irish meals in no time. Let the cooking begin. What we like. It boasts an impressive collection of 480 home-style recipes. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide to Irish cuisine with tons of options, this is your best bet. It's perfect for experienced cooks who want a vast library of Irish recipes at their fingertips. What people say. This is the one and only legit Irish cookbook I've ever seen. It is jam-packed with history, comprehensive, huge, well-organized, thoughtfully and painstakingly compiled. The Irish Cookery book is exquisitely produced, with an unusual and beautiful binding. Beautiful photographs show the dishes to perfection. P.J. McMahon has thoroughly researched the history of Irish food and eating. Along with his recipes, he explains the nutritional value of our native foods, whether foraged or farm-produced with meticulous care. A great recipe and information book about Irish cooking and its history from different countries whose people settled in Ireland. Number 2. Irish Grannies Cookbook. Get ready to explore a world of delicious Irish recipes, passed down through generations. This cookbook is your key to unlocking culinary traditions. It's filled with comforting classics, from warming soups to hearty stews. Each recipe is designed to bring the taste of Ireland to your table. Discover a variety of savory main courses, perfect for any occasion. These dishes are sure to impress your family and friends. Indulge in a selection of delightful desserts and sweet treats. They're the perfect ending to any meal. From soda bread to delicious cakes, it has something for every baker. These recipes are easy to follow, even for beginners. These recipes have been enjoyed by families for years. They're simple, delicious, and perfect for sharing. What we like. This cookbook offers a complete collection of traditional Irish recipes. If you appreciate authentic Irish home cooking with a personal touch, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those seeking a comprehensive and trustworthy source of classic Irish dishes. What people say. It covers traditional dishes, shepherd's pie, fish and chips, etc. It has more than I ever imagined or could have hoped for. There is a multitude of recipes I plan making and then some just to try. There is a picture for each recipe and it's very easy to follow preparation. We received the books, which are beautiful, heavyweight and filled with great recipes and beautiful pictures. It's full of easy to understand recipes, each with a full color picture. The recipes are split up into 15 sections, from breakfast and potato-based main courses to preserves, drinks and an Irish Christmas. The recipes are in lbs and Oz and kgs and grams. There's TSP and pints versus MLS and liters. There are also Grannies tips on some recipes, which include serving suggestions, ingredient replacement options, storage ideas, etc. Every recipe also tells you how many servings you can expect from each of them. Number 1. Irish Pub Dinner. Gather around the table and experience the warmth of classic Irish hospitality. We're serving up a taste of home, with all the comfort food you could ask for. It's all about hearty meals and warm company. Settle in and enjoy the delicious flavors of Ireland. We're known for our potatoes, prepared in a variety of delicious ways. From creamy mashed potatoes to crispy roasted potatoes, we have something for everyone. Warm up with our selection of hearty soups, perfect for a chilly evening. Each bowl is brimming with flavor and made with the finest ingredients. Beyond potatoes and soups, it offers a wide variety of classic Irish dishes. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Come and experience the true taste of Ireland. We promise a memorable dining experience. What we like. It's packed with hearty, classic Irish pub fare. If you love rich, satisfying meals and the atmosphere of an Irish pub, this cookbook is a must-have. It's perfect for those who enjoy sharing large portions of comforting food with friends and family. What people say. This is a beautiful book with incredible recipes, all very doable. Every recipe in this book looks delicious. I've made 3 or 4 now and all were great. The recipes in this book take me right back to my earlier days at home in England, with an Irish stepfather. Just reading them make my mouth water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.